Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a project in ChatGPT step by step. It's super easy, and by the end of this video, you will be ready to build your own custom projects. So first, what exactly is a project in ChatGPT? Basically, it's a feature that lets you create a personalized workspace with instructions, settings, and even reference files. With this way, ChatGPT can follow your specific needs consistently, like a custom assistant that remembers the context of your task. Okay, let's create one together. First, just tap on the menu and then tap on Add Projects, this one. And then just give your projects a name. For example, in this tutorial, I will make a project. I will give my project's name like this. Like this, and then just tap on Create Projects. Next, let's write the instructions, and on here just tap on it and then just type or write your instructions. For example, I will type my instructions like this. For example, like this is the key part because your instruction is what tells ChatGPT exactly how to behave. And then after that, when you're done with the instruction, just tap on just checklist like this. And next, you will also see an option to upload reference files. This is optional. If you have guidelines or documents or notes, you can upload them so ChatGPT has extra context. But even without uploading, your project will still work perfectly with the instruction you provide. And in this tutorial, I will not upload reference files. I will only use the instructions. And once everything sets, now let's test it the projects. For example, I will type in a sentence with grammar mistakes like this. Okay, like this. As you can see, ChatGPT points out the errors and then explain them like this, and then it give me the correct versions like this. And I think it's perfect. Our project is working exactly as expected. And okay, that's it. You have just learned how to create and test a project in ChatGPT. Now you can build projects for anything like for grammar corrections, content planning, or coding helps, and many more. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.